kids. Well, get ready to meet the biggest hero of our solar family. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. I'm the sun, so bright and strong. I give you light the whole day long. I'm 4.6 billion years old today. Hydrogen burns, that's my way. Helium glows, my fire shines true. I keep all planets close to view.
The planets count.
8 little planets round you spin. Each one special, each a twin. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Jupiter, Saturn with rings and stars. Uranus, Neptune, far and blue. All say hello, sun, we love you. Alright, kids, now let's zoom to the fastest little planet. I'm Mercury, tiny and fast. Closest to sun, I zoom so fast. Only 58 million kilometers away. I orbit the sun in 88 days. Hot and shiny, no clouds near. Smallest planet, loud and clear.
Kids, here comes a bright and beautiful planet. What's a glowing planet?
I'm Venus, glowing bright at night, covered in clouds so thick and white. 1 year for me is 3 days, slowly spinning in sunshine rays. I orbit the sun in days from sun, hotter than Mercury, no fun.
My surface burns, but beauty's mine.
I sparkle like a diamond shine. Now kids, get ready for the most special planet of all, our home. I'm Earth, the home for you and me. Blue oceans, land and life to see. I'm 150 million kilometers away. I spin once each and every day. I orbit the sun in 365 days. With air and water, life can thrive.
Next stop, the red and dusty wool planet.
I'm Mars, the red one, dusty and dry. Mountains tear and deserts high. I'm 28 million kilometers far. Takes 6, 8, 7 days to circle the star. Maybe one day humans will roam, building rockets to call me home. Hold on tight, kids. We're meeting the biggest planet in the whole solar system. I'm Jupiter, biggest of all, with swirling storms that twist and call. 778 million kilometers away. My great red spot still spins today. I take 12 Earth years for one big turn. Gas giant power, come and learn. Wow, kids, look at this beauty! The king of rings. I'm Saturn with my golden ring, so wide and bright, what beauty brings. 4 billion kilometers from sun I stay. Takes 29 years to go one way. I'm light and floaty, made of gas. See my moons as they all pass. Now let's roll sideways to our cool icy planet. 9 Uranus, blue and cool. I spin sideways, that's my rule. 9 billion kilometers from sun. Takes 84 years for one big run. I'm icy, windy, far and bright, rolling every through the night. Hold your breath, kids. We're going to the windy, deep blue command. Flying Neptune, windy, cold and deep. Storms and secrets I still keep. 5 billion kilometers away. 165 years, my orbit day. I'm farthest out, but shining true. Waving from the edge to you. We're the planets near and far.